How to update your email address on Avant.com. First of all, log in your Avant account using your current email and password. Once you are signed in, go to the account settings or profile section. This is usually found by tapping your profile icon or selecting settings from the main menu. Next, look for the option labeled email address or contact information. Click on it and you will see your current email listed. Click on the edit or pencil icon next to it to begin making changes. Now enter your new email address carefully and double check for any typos. Most systems will ask you to re-enter your password or verify your identity for security. Complete this step to confirm the change. After submitting, Avant may send a confirmation email to your new address. Make sure to open that email and click on the verification link to activate the update. If you don't see it right away, check your spam or junk folder. Lastly, log out and sign back in using your new email address to confirm everything has been updated carefully. Your future alerts, statement, and notification will now be sent to your new inbox. Now you know how to update your email address on Avant.com. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more financial tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.